Hi everyone, welcome once more. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to install Power BI Desktop on your PC. So there are two ways basically. The first way, which is the preferred way, is to download and install Microsoft Power BI through the Microsoft Store. You can navigate to the Microsoft Store by using the search button. So you can just search Microsoft Store right here. So it brings it up. Then you can open. So I already have it pinned here and I've already gone to Power BI. I've already gone ahead to install. So it's prompting me to launch. But if you've not installed Power BI before, so all you need to do, so this is how it will look like once you open Microsoft Store. So all you need to do is to come here and type in Power BI. So and search. So once you search, it brings out all of the Power BI options. So this is the Power BI Desktop is what you are going to download. So click on it. So it navigates you to the next page. So you still, because I've installed already, it's telling me to launch. If you've not installed, you see install here. So you can click on this to actually launch. So that is one way. The second way is to go to this link online, which I'm going to paste at the bottom of this video. So you will see you can select your preferred language. For me, my preferred language is English. Then just check the system requirements as well. So Windows, that is what you can download Power BI only on Windows. So you can't download on Mac at the moment. So for the install instructions, you can also look at your install instructions. It's very simple and very simple to install, right? So you can see the date. This is the version. This version was published on the 21st of July. So for this, the next thing you will do is just to click on download. Since I'm using a 64-bit system, a 64-bit machine, I'll just click on X64, then next, I download. So because I have it on my machine already, I will not want to download this so that it won't conflict with the other one I have. So the advantage of downloading from the store over downloading from the web is that when you download from the store, it updates automatically whenever there is a new update. So updates come almost every month. To install this new update via the web, you need to uninstall the Power BI desktop on your system and install it again. Download and install via the web. But via the store, it just updates on its own. All you just get to see is new features on your desktop. So let me launch Power BI. So I will just get a feel of how Power BI interface looks like. Ooh. Okay, it's launching here. Right. So this is Power BI Desktop. Yeah, it's Power BI Desktop. Let's just wait patiently while it opens. Yeah, this Power BI Desktop. So once you get the desktop, you see getting started. So just some basic things that you can do. Get data or recent source if you have. Like I have some files here which I've worked on already. I'll just close this and go to the blank page. So this is Power BI Desktop interface. So in the next video, we are going to proceed on how to actually use Power BI Desktop. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.